In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use AI-powered automations and columns in Monday.com. Let's begin by enabling Monday AI, which is the first step you'll need to take to unlock all of these powerful features. Head over to your profile icon, navigate to Admin, and then to AI Settings. Here, make sure to toggle the Monday AI option to On. It's crucial to ensure that your plan supports Monday AI, as it's currently available on Pro and Enterprise plans. Once enabled, you'll notice tools like Monday Sidekick, Magic Columns, and AI automations across your boards. Now, let's access the Automation Center. Open the board where you wish to introduce AI-powered automation. Look to the top right corner and click on Automate. This will lead you into the Automation Center, a space where you can either explore preset automation recipes or let Monday AI craft one based on your prompts. A useful tip here is that you can instruct Monday AI directly by typing natural language commands. For example, you might say, when status changes to done, notify the team in Slack. Or, when a new item is created, assign it to the project manager. Once you've generated a recipe, review, customize, and then add it to your board. This process empowers you to set up a fully functional automation without any coding skills necessary. Next, let's enhance these automations with AI actions. Monday AI's capabilities now extend beyond mere triggers. It's able to execute context-aware actions by utilizing data from your boards. You could, for example, set it to generate an update explaining a delay when an item is overdue, or create a new task when a ticket is marked as urgent. These actions automatically produce updates, summaries, or tasks, making your workflow more efficient. When it comes to creating an AI-powered column, you have the option to add a magic column or a text column plus AI formula. Using these columns, you can enable features like summarizing item content, writing short descriptions, or even forecasting next steps based on current progress. Imagine having a column that can automatically generate the summary of your task's progress in a concise sentence. Additionally, you might want to use formulas for handling currencies, conversions, or generating various AI prompts. Suppose you add a formula column and use functions tailored to your requirements. For instance, AI can assist by crafting a formula that converts currency in real time based on the current exchange rate. Another fascinating feature is the AI summary column, which gives you an aggregated overview of what's happening in a row by drawing data from associated columns like owner, status, and priority, and presenting it in a coherent report.